Okay, Tina and Sharon, here are the assembly instructions. I'll try to pan back here so you can kind of see the whole assembly laid out. There are 6 major subsections. I'm going to go through each one of them, and then I'll show you how to put the subsections together. So on the left side, which I've labeled on these A, we've got a piece that's 19, 2 pieces that are 12, a couple pieces that are 3 inches, and you want to note the orientation of the T's and elbows. Obviously that's important. You want to build, I think you want to build this assembly like this on a flat surface like the garage. And you'll notice on the left side that you drill a hole straight down. This hole goes through, this will be for the wheel. But once this is assembled, drill it through both the elbow and this PVC that's connecting it. Alright, let me pan back. I'm going to go over to the right side now. This is basically the same thing, just in reverse. It's flopped. There's a 19 here. I've labeled this one B. There are 2 12s. Again, 2 3-inch pieces. Oh, I did fail to mention earlier, there's a couple 1.5-inch pieces that are cut here. I think in some of mine that I when I was building the prototype, some of those were 2 inches long. You want to make sure you cut them all to 1.5 because you want the T's and the elbows to fit up snugly against each other. On the right side, then, you'll want to make sure you go and drill the hole for the other wheel, and you'll drill it straight down. And I noticed that the elbows that I purchased, there was a mark right in the center of the elbow, and it made it real easy to locate the center. It made it easy for my drill bit to go through and remain perpendicular, so you might want to look for that in yours. Okay, panning back again, we're going to go to the back. This includes the handle. This is subassembly C, and there's an 11-inch piece here at the bottom. There are 4 3-inch pieces, one here, one here, one here, and one there. There are 2 19-inch pieces here and here. This is a 5-inch piece here, and then over here for the handle there are 2 12-inch pieces and another 5-inch piece up here. So there's a lot that goes into this subassembly, but it's actually pretty straightforward. You just build it flat on the surface as shown here, and it should go together nicely. Alright, the last pieces are simple. I think this is labeled D. This is just a straight 19-inch piece. Right here I labeled this E. This piece is 12.5, and then there are 2 3-inch pieces. This is the front piece, and these are the legs. And again, there are 2 1.5-inch pieces on the edge. And then the last 2 pieces, this is for the top. This is a 19-inch piece. These 2 are built exactly the same. 19 inches here, 19 inches here, an elbow on both, and then the 4 1.5-inch pieces. So I think if you build all of this as separate sub-assemblies, then in the next video I'll show you how to put it all together.